Peter, honey, can I come in?
No!
Peter, the final starts at 9, honey. And you said you would take my car into the shop because it keeps dying. Remember?
Give me a second on me. I'm gonna get the door. Just give me a second.
Peter, please just let me in, all right?
I'm
But you
trying
said
to
the final
get.
was at 9, and
Yes,
you're gonna take
just
my
give me
car
a-
into the shop because it keeps
No, I
dying.
can't come in. Stay outside. I'm so naked. It's just.
Peter, for goodness sake, you said you're gonna take my car into the shop because it... Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm very naked right now.
What happened to your face? It's filthy.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I was cleaning the chimney.
We have no chimney.
What?
You're late.
I know, I'm late.
Downstairs.
I can't.
Now.
Can you
All
leave?
right,
'Cause
I'm
maybe to be
leaving.
naked here. Morning, I love you.
I love you too. Hurry up.